eHealth Insurance is a private online exchange for ACA, short-term, and small business health insurance plans. Our recent project with eHealth involved a custom rebuild of shopping flows for their Affordable Care Act and short-term health insurance plans. When a visitor comes to the eHealth shopping site for ACA or short-term plans, they are asked to provide some information about themselves, such as their zip code and information about their household. They may also be asked about their income to see if they qualify for subsidized plans. For consumers who do qualify, they are referred to Health Sherpa. Once the visitor enters their census information and selects the See All plans, they are taken to the Plans or Quotes page. The Quotes page uses eHealth backend RESTful APIs to pull in all relevant healthcare plans. On the Quotes page, the visitor can select from a plethora of filter options, such as monthly cost, deductible, or plan carrier, in order to drill down further into the available plans. As the visitor selects the appropriate filters, the plans will automatically update on the page, and the potential customer can then proceed to the plan cards, which gives them some details at a glance about things like monthly cost of a plan, the carrier, and metal level, bronze, silver, gold, etc. The plan cards allow the visitor to see more details, and yet even more information about the plan if they select even more plan details. One of the features that contributed greatly to our client success is the comparison feature. From the Quotes page, or even the Plan Details page, the potential customer can add up to 4 plans to the Compare drawer. The visitor can then go to the comparison page to see various plan attributes side by side. This allows the visitor to make a more informed decision about the plan they want to purchase and feel more confident that the choice they're making is the best choice for their family and themselves. Once the visitor has decided on a plan, they can elect to enroll directly from the site. Once they select the option to enroll in the plan, they are taken to a single-use cart page. The cart page then allows the visitor to also add ancillary plans to the major medical plan they've selected, for example, dental or vision coverage. Finally, the visitor can begin their application, which takes them to eHealth's proprietary application and enrollment center. eHealth also provides short-term health insurance, which adopts a similar flow to the ACA plan search and application process, but has different options in the filters and different details on the plan cards. By building the short-term pages on the same platform and with the same base code as the ACA shopping flow, the Zennify team was able to drastically cut down the development time needed for short-term pages and functionality, to the point where the short-term flow took about 1/3 of the time to implement as the ACA flow. This also greatly helped with code maintenance and extensibility.